Hi everyone, welcome to week 22. It's been a very busy week. We've got the PV on the roof, so all the solar panels are in, ready for the slating. It's looking really good. Survived the weather this week as well. We've also got our back boxes on, ready to be clad over. So these are little ledges there, and you can see underneath where the bats will go in. There's a little diagram here of how they use it. Also on the other end we've got our bird boxes, which do the same thing. Some swift colonies, hopefully. Inside we've had extra insulation and air tightness membrane started to go on. This all needs to be taped to the walls properly and stuff, but this is just the kind of first hit. So yeah, it's starting to look really good and a lot of things happening at once. The main thing was today we had the windows arrive, so it's a bit of a mission for the guys on site, and they did really well. Some quite heavy units, and getting it onto the site with the camber was quite difficult. But yeah, they did a really good job, and I think they deserve a good break this weekend. So there's the big units coming down, the big lift and slide doors, and the view from the back garden with the panels on the roof.